How to turn off auto update apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. By default, automatically update the application on your device. So if you want to stop individually app update or turn off the all application update, in this video I will show you both methods. First off, let's see how to stop individual app update. So you open the app drawer on your device. Now long press the application you want to stop auto update. So here we select this application. Now tap on eye icon. Now scroll down until end. Now tap on the app details in store option. So tap on it. Here you can see the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now here we can't see the option, so go back again. Select the another app. Here we select this application. Tap on eye icon. Now tap on app details in a store. Tap on the three dots. Now here you can see the enable auto update option on your device. It means it will automatically update the application when available update on your device. So uncheck the box to turn off the auto update. Or if you want to turn off auto update for all application, you need to open the Play Store on your device. Open the Play Store application. Tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on a settings at the end. Tap on a network preferences. And here you can find the option auto update apps. Update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update with limited amount of mobile data. Here you can see by default set the update over Wi-Fi only or don't auto update app. So select this option to turn off the auto update application on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device, or choose your preferred method you want to automatically update apps. That's it. If you like it, share it.